Good morning. I'm going to be speaking today on a crucial CLE topic for criminal defense lawyers in the United States, and that is criminal mitigation. I'm both a lawyer and a psychiatric social worker. I have done perhaps 2,000 evaluations at this point for immigration, personal injury, and criminal lawyers in the United States. And my focus today is to help explain how we could better humanize the client, humanize the criminal defendant for both pre-plea and pre-sentence purposes as a means to achieve a better outcome for that individual. The subtitle of the lecture today is Humanizing the Client Towards a Better Legal Outcome. And that's exactly what I want to focus on today, how criminal mitigation, as a crucial tool for criminal defense lawyers today, helps to recapture our clients, their issues and challenges, traumas, the kinds of obstacles that they faced perhaps earlier in their lives, to better understand how in the world they got into so much trouble. I have a book. It's called Handbook of Mitigation in Criminal and Immigration Forensics, Humanizing the Clients Towards a Better Legal Outcome. It's now in the 7th edition. The new edition came out just last month. And the first half of the book is completely dedicated to criminal mitigation issues. I also really try to integrate theory with practice. And as such, I have a redacted sample criminal mitigation report that I'd be more than happy to share. Please send your email with your name and address, all your personal information. I get a lot of spam, so I just want to know it's a real lawyer. And I will send you back in a Word format a redacted copy. Obviously, real issues regarding names and birth dates and so on will be changed. But I really try in all my lectures to try to integrate theory and practice, and this is the best way to do so. The sample I'd be sending is one specifically related to a client who has suffered complex trauma in earlier developmental stages, and it was done for a pre-sentence criminal mitigation case. I have another book with many criminal mitigation samples. I put it on the slides today, but honestly, if you send me your email and ask and put in the subject line complex trauma, I will be more than happy to send it back to you. You don't need to get this other book. The first book that I recommended is a book that outlines major clinical concerns for the mitigation expert and major areas of evaluation focus throughout the criminal mitigation process. So we have a lot to cover today. I just want to quickly review what we're going to be looking at. First, specialty issues within criminal mitigation, which is very crucial. Next, the strategic shift that has occurred for criminal defense lawyers. Third, the legal basis for criminal mitigation in the United States. Then we're going to look at the actual purpose of criminal mitigation. Next, the key ideas to consider in mitigation, generally for any kind of client, regardless of the kind of case. And lastly, psychosocial evaluations, which is the central tool that mental health experts use to evaluate individuals, families, and so on as a means to understand who they are, their background issues, and of course, the context of their behavior for the criminal mitigation matter.